Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings be upon you all. It is truly a blessing and an honor to be here tonight, again for my second Jalsa. And I think it's also duly a privilege as not just an elected official, but as a Christian priest, to bring you greetings and warm wishes to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community on the occasion of your 75th annual Jalsa Salana. As someone rooted in faith and guided by a call to serve, I recognize the deep spiritual significance of this gathering. The Jalsa Salana is more than a meeting. It is a sacred space for reflection, renewal, and recommitment to the values that bind us together across faith traditions: peace, humility, justice, and love for humanity. The Holy Quran reminds us, "O mankind, we have created you from male and female and made you into nations and tribes so that you may know one another. Surely the most honorable among you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous among you." This verse echoes what I believe to be at the heart of faith: the call to one another, to honor one another, and to build bridges, not walls. In my work as a legislator and as a pastor, I've seen firsthand the light of your community, and it shines through all of your tireless commitment to work, service, charity, and peaceful engagement. You remind us all that faith is not just what we say, but how we live and how we operate, and that the righteous living can transform entire communities. I'm also reminded that a couple years ago, when various different people were coming to America, they would come through Ellis Island. And as they would come through Ellis Island, they would see the Statue of Liberty. And on the Statue of Liberty, there was a phrase that would utter, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free." Not only is America home to me, but America is your home as well. And regardless of what crazy people say, you belong here. Regardless of how people treat you, this is your home. And we will continue to partner together. We will continue to love each other. And we will continue to show love for all and hatred for none. And as you come here again on this 75th annual Jalsa Salana, I'm excited, just as Senator Ghazala Hashmi presented a commendation, that I present to you a commendation from the House of Delegates honoring the 75th Diamond Anniversary. God bless you.